Oh, this is for blast on. Oh, kami. Oh, blast on. Oh, yan. Oh, yan. And brush like this. Also, you use this, not here. Oh, here. Oh, oh, hold it. Hold it. Oh, yeah, just like here. Oh, face. Yan. Just like this. I show you how to make up. Just like, yan. Yan. O, the other side. Other side. Hindi, ito namang gagamitin mo. Yan. Yan. Very good. Oh. See? Oh, more. Here. Yan. Oh, like that. Yan. Ganyan, oh. Ganyan mo siya, oh. Yan. Oh. Sa kabilang side. Kabilang side. Yan. Oh, close na. And then, this is for dito, eyes. Close your eyes. Yan. Oh. Just like that. Oh, di ba? Oh, dumi na to. Oh, close mo na to. Dumihan na. Ay, ano naman yan? Pang dito yan, oh. Pang dito yan sa, hindi sa face yan. Dito yan sa iyong kamay. Oh, ganun, oh. Oh. Oh, wow, pretty ng apo ko. O, tapos ito, this is for lips. Oh. Oh, put like this. Yeah.
Like the smell.
Yeah, smell good.
Smell good. It's
Yes.
strawberry.
Strawberry.
And this one is blueberry.
Blueberry. And this is mirror, okay? And this is
That don't look good. Don't look good. This one.
this good, right? Oh, ito yung isa pa, oh. Oh, ito pang pula. Oh, just pula. Oh, red. Like this. Yan. Another one. Yan. Oh. Try it. Yan. Look at the mirror. Oh. Oh, so pretty na. How about the lips? Here.
Quit popping out.
Yeah, okay. It's Bobby. Yeah. It's good na. And another one. Ano to? Naubos na pala yung... Sarah, inubos pala niya yung liban. It's empty na. Oh. No, nilagay niya lahat sa mukha kaya pala palang pula. Oh, ubos pala yung isa. My goodness. Inuubos mo pala eh.
This finger only.
Ay, ewan mo na ubusin yan.
There's only this one.
Yeah, I know.
Number bluey.
Oh, ito na. Oh, eyeshadow.
This one. This.
Oh, ito na. Oh, sa mata yan. Dito, eyes. Dito. Yan. Yan. Another side. Wala pa. Yan. See. Oh. Wow, so pretty na. Oh, good. Damar? It's done. This is done. And this is done. And this is sa mata. Mata. Here, more. Mata. Yeah, close eyes. You. Close your eyes. You, put like this. Close your eyes. Dito pa, sa kabila. Oh, good na? Pretty? So pretty na? Oh, look your pass. So pretty na ang kanyang mga makeup. Oh, what's that? Oh, what is this? Parang meron siyang ganon sa ano niya. Good job ba? Ito ang gift ko sa kanya, ang makeup, no? And meron siyang kompleto, cutics, and blush on. Ito, naubos mo na to. Naubos mo na. Oh, it's empty na. Why? Why? Ubos na. My goodness. Ay, nako. No more na. So,
No.
yan, for like hands, like that. Oh, cutics. Yan, hindi sa mukha yan. Yan.
Not for, it's not for the face.
Yes, and then, oh,
Not for the face because he don't have fingers.
it's for a finger. Yan. See, it's not for the face. See, pretty na, pretty. Oh, smile na. Smile. Ang makeup niyang mag-isa. Naku, nakakatawa itong batang to. Okay na. Done?
Not yet.
Not yet done? Oh, you want a cutics?
Nope.
No. Later.